Today I'm going to show you how to install this USB hub into your center console in the Model 3 so that you can have your chargers plugged in and also use the front USB ports for music and or Dashcam in version 9. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is just pop this trim off. These pop off fairly easily. As you can see, these metal clips are what holds it on. You just got a few of those along here. The next step is we're going to take this T20 Torx head screwdriver and take out the screws along this metal piece of trim. Oops. So now that we've got this metal trim loose, we need to take this little rubber bumper out and cut this notch a little bit bigger. What I'm going to do to keep this out of the way is use the adhesive strip that came with the USB hub, and I'm actually going to stick it to the underside of the tray where your phone sits. We'll stick that right there. So now we've got 5 extra USB ports for power on the underside here, and then we've got the 2 for data. Now to get this cord over this edge, we actually need to cut out another notch. What I'm going to do is, this spot right here already has somewhat of a notch, so I'm actually just going to cut that down a little more. Actually got this wire tucked in here and taped down in a couple spots. And then inside, we've got it up over that notch that we made. So now we've got this metal trim back on. So now we'll put the screws in. Now that we've got that screwed on, we just pop this piece of trim back in. Just line up all your clips. Those pop right on. Very simple. So now we've got power going up to our USB hub, and our 2 USB data ports are open. So now I can plug in my USB drive for the dash cam. So I just learned something awesome. There's actually a split in the carpeting underneath the seat down there where I just dropped that screw. And guess what? The screw went between it, and it seems to just go down underneath the floor somewhere. So be careful. So here is where that screw fell. There just happens to be, you can barely see it, a gap here. See where my finger is? There's a gap right down in there. And it goes down somewhere, I'm guessing on top of the battery pack? I don't know, but I'm going to be really frustrated if I'm hearing screws rattling around for the rest of the life of this car.